Good morning everyone. I am your maths teacher Muskan ma'am. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 10 decimals and our topic is decimal fractions in place value chart. In previous online classes we discussed about how to convert decimals into fraction and how to convert fraction into decimals. Okay, and now we are going to discuss about place values of decimal numbers. Okay, so firstly I am going to write a number here, 625.378. Okay, firstly we are going to discuss about places of every digit. Like as we all know, the number comes before the decimal has place value. Like 5 is on ones place, 2 is on tens place, and 6 is on hundred place. Okay, now the digit which comes after the decimal, we are going to discuss about the places of these numbers. Okay, like 3 is on the place 10th. It's not tens, it's 10th. Okay, and 7 is on the place 100th. It's not 100, it's 100th place. 7 is on 100th place. Now 8, it's on 1000th place. 1000th place. These are the places of the digits come after the decimal. 3 is on 10th place, 7 is on 100th place, and 8 is on 1000th place. ठीक है, these numbers we know about them very well. ठीक है, हम हमेशा से और प्रीवियस क्लासेस से भी पढ़ते आ रहे हैं वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000 एंड सो ऑन. लाइक अब हम बात कर रहे हैं वो उन डिजिट्स की जो डेसिमल के बाद में आते हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट प्लेस पे आता है डेसिमल के बाद जो पहला नंबर होता है उसका प्लेस हम बोलते हैं 10th प्लेस. सेकेंड नंबर इज 100th प्लेस, थर्ड नंबर इज 1000th प्लेस, एंड आगे भी ऐसे ही चलता जाएगा 10,000th प्लेस एंड सो ऑन. ओके, now these are the places. Now we are going to write the place values. These are the places. Now we are going to write the place values of these digits. Okay, so 5, the place value of 5 in this number is 5. We know it very well. The place value of 5 in this number is 5 because 5 it comes on the ones place. Now the place value of 2 is on 10th place. That means we have to multiply 2 by 10. That is 20. The place value of 2 is 20. In this number, the place value of 2 is 20. Now, the place value of 6. Place value of 6. As we all know, 6 is on 100th place. So, we have to multiply 6 by 100 and it gives rise to 600. So, the place value of 6 in this number is 600. Okay, this is very easy. We know it all. Now, the part is we are going to write the place value of the digit come after the decimal. Like 3. The place value, question is the place value of 3 in this number. ठीक है, so the place value of 3 is this number is 3 is on 10th place. When any number comes on 10th place, we have to divide that number by 10. So the place value of 3 is this in this number is 3 divisible by 10 because 3 comes on the 10th place. So and now we have to convert it in decimal and we know about this how to convert fraction into decimal. हमने इस बारे में प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़ा है, आई थिंक यू ऑल नो। अगर नीचे 1 0 है तो पीछे से डेसिमल भी 1 के बाद ही लगेगा, लाइक 3 देन डेसिमल, और अगर आगे कुछ नहीं है तो वी हैव टू पुट 0 बिफोर। ओके, सो प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 इन दिस नंबर इज 0.3, और अगर मुझे इसे फ्रैक्शन में बोलना हो तो 3/10। ओके, 3/10। नाउ द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7 इन दिस नंबर, प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7 इन दिस नंबर, तो 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू इस नंबर में क्या होगी? सो 7 इज ऑन 100th प्लेस, 7 इज ऑन 100th प्लेस, सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड 7 बाय 100. We have to divide 7 by 100. This is the fraction form and we have to convert it in decimal. So we all know कि नीचे 2 zeros है तो ऊपर भी 2 डिजिट के बाद ही डेसिमल लगेगा, लाइक 7, और एक और डिजिट नहीं है तो we have to put 0 and then decimal and then 0. ये आप सभी को आता है। ओके, सो कन्वर्ट फ्रैक्शन इनटू डेसिमल में, द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7 इज इन दिस नंबर इज 0.07 बिकॉज 7 कम्स ऑन द 100th प्लेस। ओके, नाउ वन मोर नंबर इज द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 8 in this number, place value of 8 in this number, as we can see 8 come on this 1000th place, 8 comes on the 1000th place, so we have to divide 8 by 1000. Okay, we have to divide 8 by 1000. So this is the fraction form of place value. Now we have to convert it in decimal and it give rise to 0.008. 0.008. So the place value of 8 in this number is 0.008.